Hey, BBQ Rando is in town tonight here at the ranch. And tonight we're going to kick it up because not only does BBQ Rando love all fireworks, I love Roman candles. Can't help it. And, you know, 4th of July is upon us. We have the Blue Thunder Roman candle by the one and only Dominator. BBQ Rando is a huge fan of Roman candles, especially from Dominator Fireworks. And look what we got here. This Roman candle comes with 10 balls. All right. Now, what's really cool here also, they put the performance on, and it says basically blue tail to thunder. So let's go ahead. Let's knock it out. Blue Thunder Roman candle. Dominator, baby. You know where we're going. And we're going to use Redbeards Fireworks Showcase musket shot with the Roman candle topper to show you how that works. So check it out. Yeah. All right. We made it to the Launchpad, and you can see down here, I do have from Redbeards Fireworks Showcase.com, his musket shot, and this has the topper, where you could put in a tube for, say, a 60-gram shell. I have the topper here for, you can put in a whole bunch of Roman candles. Safe, secure. That's my buddy Redbeard. So check him out. I'll put information. You can get a discount with my BBQ Rando 10 code. And let's get to the demo here. Let me see if I could light them both. I don't have my torch tonight. I didn't. There we go. Oh, we got them both. We got them both. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not super loud, but I'll tell you what, more than enough to scratch the itch and take a hit off the pyro smoke. BBQ!